Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So after a long time we are happy that we got a channel that where we can post right now.
Yes, so I think after 2 weeks.
Yes, after
Two
2 weeks.
long weeks. This 2 weeks like seems to be like 2 years
Yes.
for us.
Right.
Like each and every day are passing and we are like, okay.
Thinking about this
Our channel
problem
will be
only,
like,
yes.
thinking about this problem only, and that is why we are not that much regular on that channel.
Yes.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit 2.0, because you can understand that this
That
channel is the first
mindset was
priority.
not
Yeah.
like that we want to post every day.
Yes.
So
We have struggled a
now-
lot. We have struggled a lot, and we have achieved our channel back.
Right. So at
again.
the present situation is that we have removed only one copyright strike. So
Yeah.
right now we are able to post our videos. So still we have pending two more
Two
to
more
go.
strikes are
So
there.
let's see how much those strikes get time.
At least actually we are posting videos now.
Yes.
Because if you are having 3 strikes or more than that, you cannot even able to post a
Right.
single video on your channel. So one strikes got deleted, and now we are hoping that 2 strikes also should
Yeah,
be
that second strike
deleted.
consisting of 5 videos.
5 videos.
So it's
So that
very
is a
tough.
little bit tough, but yeah, we are struggling, and we have full faith on God that everything will be all right, because that is we have not done anything wrong, right? So we have full faith on God that yes, if we have not done anything wrong, we have not harassed anyone, so everything will be good with us.
Right.
Okay, so
Let's
yeah.
not talk much about this.
Yeah, we will be
so-
talking much more regarding this, in some other video.
Yes.
And definitely we have promised also that we will be like saying each and everything whichever
Yeah,
we
right.
have faced. We'll be
Yes,
coming
of
on
course.
live, and we'll be doing that
Yes.
for
So
you
we are
guys.
waiting for our second
Yeah.
strike to get over.
Yes. So yes, so today this video is Vijay sir's video, obviously,
Yes.
because we have missed like terribly
Right.
doing videos of Vijay sir, Ajit sir, then
lot,
Rajnikant sir,
yes.
Kamal Hassan sir, मतलब कौन नहीं है इसमें, everyone.
Lot of comedies videos also
comedy
we
videos
have
Badul
missed.
sir, everyone. So we are
Yes.
like, okay, we have to give it a fresh start, kick as start. And today's video is Theri fight scene.
Yes,
Okay,
climax fight
fight scene. So we all know that Theri is a super duper
Blockbuster
blockbuster movie. We
movie,
have
yes.
done a couple of scenes also from Theri movie.
Yes.
So now this is the time of some emotional or fighting.
Fight
I
scene.
think
This is
mainly
climax fight scene.
Fight scene only. So let's get started. I'm very much excited, and yeah, I'm feeling very much happy today.
Yes.
Very happy, and I know that our friends also will be very happy today.
Yes.
Okay, so let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
அவளுக்கு புரியல பேபி, அவளுக்கு புரியல பாஷா, நீயே சொல்லிடு. ஓகே
So cute voice. Okay. Wow. Now it will be. Oh, that music.
Kalapati Vijay sir.
Oh. Super, right?
सही हुआ.
Oof, that action. Wow. Oh, this you can tell chair fight scene.
Yeah, cheer fight scene.
Wow.
Wow. This physic and everything is very
Popping
strong,
out
right?
nowadays.
Wow. This execution is very real.
Oh, that's super shot. Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Come again. Wow. Oof. Ah.
He's beating, but
Very
he's
nice.
speaking by his eyes with that old man.
Oh, he is scared. Since come back. Oof. This is violent.
ये रियल लाइफ में ऐसा अगर कोई मारेगा ना तो उठेगा ही नहीं कोई.
Right.
It's looking very real. बाप रे.
Very nice. Super.
He can recall that incident which
Right.
he has faced.
Oof, this one. Bebe.
குட் ஷோ தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ
Thank you.
இது பேர் உன்னை போட்டு தள்ளுறதுலாம் ஒரு பெரிய மேட்டரே இல்லை போகுதா ஒன்றை பழி வாங்கணுன்றதை விட என் பொண்ணை வளர்க்குறது தான் எனக்கு முக்கியம்னு தோணுச்சு நீ என்னை கோழன்னு சொல்லிக்கோ ஓடி ஒழிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன்னு சொல்லிக்கோ என்ன வேணாலும் சொல்லிக்கோ ஆனால் என் பிள்ளைக்கு நான் ஒரு நல்ல தகப்பனா இருந்திருக்கேன் எப்போ என் பொண்ணு அவ அம்மாவை கொண்டது நீதான் தெரிஞ்சும் உன்கிட்ட வந்து தாத்தா சாரி சொல்லுங்கன்னு
He's
சொன்னா
telling like in this way only I have raised my daughter. That
எப்போ ஒரு அப்பாவி பொண்ணு
you have killed my wife. Still she is. You have seen in Hindi dub, right? I can recall.
கொள்ளை அடிக்கிறவன் ரேப் பண்றவன் ரயிலு குண்டு வைக்கிறவன் குடிகாரன் புறம்போக்கு ஊர் படத்தை திருடுறவன் அவங்கெல்லாம் அப்படி ஆனதுக்கு அவனுங்களை ஒழுங்கா வளர்க்க தெரியாத அவனுங்களோட அப்பனுங்க தான் முக்கியம். பிள்ளைங்களை ஒழுங்கா வளர்க்க தெரியாத ஒவ்வொரு அப்பனும் குற்றவாளி தான். தப்பு பண்ண உன் பிள்ளைய போடுறதுக்கு முன்னால ஒன்ன போட்டுக்கணும்ல. என் கடைசி ஆசை என்னன்னு கேட்டல நீ செஞ்சுட்டுமா?
Somebody is coming. Search them. Okay. Original police. Full clean now.
ऊपर में है शायद.
प्रिया ஸ்பெஷல் ஸ்குவாட் 36 ரிப்போர்ட்டிங் சார். எஸ் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ண ஜோன்ல யாருமே இல்ல சார். ஜோன் கிளியர் சார்.
Zone clear. Now.
Oh, that was awesome ending. Good. Got
Very good.
some punishment.
Very good. What he has done, this is the right punishment.
Yes,
okay?
I think he should get the
He should
punishment,
get
and
that
everybody
one, yeah.
in the real life also. If anybody is doing
Yes.
a great crime like this,
After
they should get a
killing-
punishment.
After killing Vijay sir's mother, Vijay sir's wife also, still when Vijay sir and his daughter is like living a happily life,
Yes, they
forgetting
started
each and everything,
poking
they
again.
again started poking. This is
Yes.
very bad actually.
I like that.
So I think those who have not watched this movie, they could not
They should
relate what we are saying, but it is a must watch movie.
Yes.
Definitely go and see this movie. We have seen matlab I think 4 or 5 times this movie,
Right.
but still we are like okay, we have to, if we have a chance now to see this
Right,
movie,
and
we will sit
this,
and sit
this
see.
particular movie only,
Yeah.
it consists of lot of emotional scenes.
scenes.
Each and every scenes is having that different touch also, and
Correct.
emotion wise it's super.
Superb.
Every time if you watch, you will get emotional.
Yeah,
Yes.
every kind of this movie consisting of like emotions, then love, fights,
Yes.
like every
Lot of the things that give a message to our
message
society.
to our society. Very good
Yeah.
messages. That is why we like the most. Theory
Yes.
movie. It's a superb movie. It should be a blockbuster, and it is a blockbuster.
Yeah.
Okay, and the child's acting.
Acting,
that is
she was super. I think
very good.
at this age, she has
Her
done
voice.
fabulous job. Her voice was too much sweet.
very cute, and she she's a very, very great actor in this
Yes.
age also. She has
She
done,
has done a
brilliant
brilliant
job.
job, yeah.
And that old man also, he
Yes.
also acted superbly as a
As
villain.
a villain role, he was looking perfect.
Perfect. Okay.
Because he was a politician, so
Uh-huh.
in that get-up and everything, it was superbly matching on his
Executed.
physique or whatever his appearance was
Appearance
there.
was there. And his way of speaking also, right?
Yes.
That
Right.
aggression, some एक वो है, weightage है उनके voice में.
Yes.
He was having a
but
weightage.
unfortunately, I think he died last year or before that.
Oh, is it?
Yes, I think so.
Oh, okay.
Maybe some of our friend was saying that he is no more.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I didn't know that. Okay.
Maybe, yeah.
That is very unfortunate.
Yeah.
And
He is also a great actor.
He's a very great. So coming back to the execution of the scenes, it was super.
Yes, super
real.
exactly. That fight scene
looking
and
very
all.
real. It was looking like in each and every, mostly the South Indian films, you can say, mostly Vijay Sir's video I have seen that the execution of each and every scenes, like fight scenes, are truly like real. Okay, you cannot even tell that some movies going on. I have told this thing several times, I know, but still I am like mesmerized every time I see.
And also you have
That
to give
blood and
the
everything.
credit to actor
Director.
Vijay sir also.
Yeah.
He is also doing fabulous job.
Fabulous job. Director Vijay sir, most importantly, and also the camera
Background
angle,
music, background
camera
music,
music.
everything was super.
Matlab deserves a clap. That is why people have loved this movie so much, because everything, every point or every single thing,
Was
frame to
perfect.
frame, was perfect. Okay, so we really enjoyed this scene, and I hope that you also have enjoyed. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Abdul Khayyum, and he's commenting, "Welcome back, guys. Happy to see you." Yes,
Thanks
we
a
are
lot,
also
and
happy.
we are also
Thank you.
very much pleased. with
Very
this
happy.
thing.
Yeah, we are very happy, and yes, we are very grateful towards you that your prayers, your blessings, and everything
Yes.
made this possible. Thank you so much. We will be like regularly posting videos because we have missed a lot in
Right.
posting videos, right? So yes, thank you so much.
Yeah.
The second comment for today's video is from Suresh Patil, and he is commenting, Mahesh Babu is a real superstar. He is very simple, down to earth person. We love Prince One of the finest actor and great human being in the world. No controversies till date, and complete family man. Respect everyone, no ego. That's why everyone love Mahesh Babu.
Yes, his
Yeah.
look wise also
He's
he
looking,
looks
he's
too
looking
much
like that.
simple and too much cute kind of a guy. Yes.
Very down to earth. Okay, a family person.
Right.
He's
exactly.
looking like
we
that
haven't
only.
seen him
Yeah.
in that much attitude or
Yes.
something. Yeah.
Yes, we so far we have not heard any controversy also regarding Mahesh Babu sir, right?
Yes,
His
right.
physique, sometimes black suit and black jacket,
Yes.
like killing
We have
everyone.
seen him in Maharshi.
महर्षि भी था, और एक भी था जो ये था ना सारेलानु निक्कावेरू में भी था ना,
Yes.
ब्लैक पहन के आ रहे थे, तो दैट वाज सुपर्ब. एंड यस, यू आर वेरी राइट, ही इज आवर फेवरेट आल्सो. ही इज अ सुपर्ब
Yes,
एक्टर.
right.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमेंटिंग एंड फॉर वाचिंग आवर वीडियोस.
So third and the last comment for today is from Javed Khan, and he is writing his comment on Round to Hell school life reaction. So he is saying Round to Hell के school life part 2 पर reaction करो please.
Okay.
So,
School
yes.
part 1 we have already done,
Yes,
I think.
right.
Part 2. Okay. वो है part 2,
Part
part
2 is
3
also
तुम बोल
there.
रहे थे ना?
Yes,
हाँ,
right.
part 2 is already there. Okay.
Yeah.
Not already there, मतलब we have to do.
Yes.
Yeah, it is there in the pending list, but before that everything got hampered, haphazard. We have a long pending list now also. Okay, here only, but we have to fulfill each and everything.
Yeah.
Yes, हम करेंगे ये.
And also he is
School
saying
life
that
part 2.
give our reaction on the latest video of
Latest
R2H.
video of R2H, yes,
they have also
definitely.
released some diamond button or something diamond.
या
Yes.
हाँ, हम करेंगे एंड डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू सी दैट. ओके, राउंड टू हेल्प को तो हम बहुत पसंद करते हैं, एंड न्यू चैनल में भी हम दिए हैं आई थिंक राउंड टू हेल्प का वीडियोस. आई थिंक MJO का दिए है ना, राउंड टू हेल्प का नहीं दिए, सॉरी. सो येस, विल बी डेफिनेटली डूइंग, एंड या स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमेंटिंग एंड फॉर वाचिंग. सो
Yes.
दीज आर द 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.